Everybody knows the kitchen is the heart of a home. We wanted to make sure that having the ability to fit a massive island, we created that huge space to be able to entertain and to sit a lot of people and be able to enjoy this focal point of the house. So we wanted to have here a little bit of a more refined look, and we decided to go with gray painted cabinets and having some accents made out of walnut finish. So you can see how we decided to do the two-tone kitchen hood, the kitchen island. Then we decided to go with the walnut just to make it a little bit of a contrast all around. We found this beautiful countertop that mimic a stone just brought straight from the quarry with a lot of veining, a lot of lining, and having that kind of rustic element, but at the same time it feels very refined. So a very interesting element that we needed to figure out when we were designing the kitchen was that the existing kitchen had track lightings throughout the ceiling, and then we find out with the builder that the ceiling had no space between the ceiling and the roof to insert recessed lighting. So we came out with this beam design throughout the ceiling, so we were able to recess lighting there just to have that clean look on the overall area and get rid of the track lighting.